In this video, I am going to show you how to participate in USDT airdrops on CoinMarketCap. To do so, join the official CoinMarketCap Telegram group and participate in the Tuna Boot airdrop event to receive daily USDT rewards. And here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. 1. Register for a CoinMarketCap account using your email and password. If you already have an account, proceed to the next step. 2. You need to join the official CoinMarketCap Telegram group using the following link. Step 3. Message TunaBot chatbot privately. Initiate a private chat with the TunaBot chatbot. You can find the chatbot by searching for tuna/bot in the Telegram search bar. And here's it. Now, provide your USDT wallet details to the TunaBot chatbot, like USDT wallet address and USDT memo, which is this number, for example, or your Binance UID. After providing your wallet details to TunaBot, return to the CoinMarketCap Telegram group, and TunaBot will randomly select users from the CoinMarketCap Telegram group for the USDT jackpot. Stay active in the group to increase your chances of being selected. So, airdrops reset daily, so ensure you remain an active member of the CoinCap Telegram group. And budgets for the airdrops may be periodically increased, providing more opportunities for users to earn USDT. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.